Hey, and welcome to my video on tyre maintenance. The most important thing on your motorcycle is your tyres, making sure they're in good condition, they haven't got too much wear, and they are running the correct tyre pressure. The amount of people I know who don't know what tyre pressures they should be running, well, that's not so much of a problem as long as you're running the standard manufacturer settings. But if you do know what you like to run, that little tweak, personally I like 33 at the front, 35 at the back cold. But the most important thing is checking those pressures. You don't need to check them every day. You don't need to check them every week, but do check them before you go out for a long ride, and do check them at least once a month. Personally, myself, I have this electronic tyre pressure inflator. It's electronic, so literally battery operated. You just charge it via a USB. The charge lasts for ages when using it on the motorbike. I have used it to pump up tyres on my car. On this car, you'll be able to get all 4 tyres, then you'll need to charge it. On the bike, I charge this once a quarter. I mean, it lasts a good couple of months. It's digital, so you just screw it on and you can see exactly what the pressures are. I get asked a lot if it is accurate, and I also have this gauge here that I use that is highly accurate, and this is about half a psi, if that, out. It's really easy to use, and the good thing about this, you plug it on, you can see what your pressure is, and if it's a little bit low, you just press pump, and that's it. So operation couldn't be easier. You just press and hold to turn the pump on. Once it's on, you select what tyre pressure you want in psi or bar, then you screw it in. Here it's reading my tyre pressure at 34. It is too low, so I'm going to hit here to select my pressure, press the power button. You can now hear the pump working to bring this up to pressure. So here we are, back up to pressure at 36 psi. As I say, I like to run 33 on the front and 35 on the rear, but I put 36 in there to allow a little bit of air to escape when you unscrew this here. So here we're running much lower at 28.5, and I want that on 33. You can just leave it sitting on the floor while it's charging away, go off and do something else. Doesn't take long to get it charged. And there we are. And actually, when I'm holding it to pressure, I've got 32.8 on the screen here. So that's my battery operated air pump, the ASMAX. It is really quite slim profile in comparison to other air pumps that I've seen out there. It's relatively light for what it is. You can easily throw it in the backpack, and if you're going on a very long travel, it's definitely something you want to take with you. But yeah, just once a month, just check your pressures. I did mine about 3 weeks ago, and you can see I was a couple of psi out on the back. With changes of temperatures from the hot and cold, your tyres are going to start to lose some psi. So one of these is a really great thing to have in your garage for about 30 quid. As always, guys, I hope that was a useful video. A like and subscribe is always greatly appreciated, and I'll catch you on the next video.